Ever wondered what kind of classic car you could get for just $600? These 22 junkyard-bound survivors might surprise you. Let's take a look at the first 11. 1. 1977 Chevrolet Chevy Van G10, $2,000, Montevallo, Alabama. This square-body van runs and can drive home, powered by a 300 inline-six with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's rough, black, and ready for your next shop truck or camper conversion. 2. 1979 Buick Electra 225 Custom, $1,800, Splendora, Texas. Classic land yacht with a 401 Buick engine and TH400 trans. Custom all-orange interior. Runs off a bottle, needs a fuel pump. Clean title. A big cruiser project with big potential. 3. 1978 Chevrolet Caprice Sedan, $1,200 OBO, Valdosta, Georgia. Good body, power windows, and complete interior. Has motor and trans but needs work. Floors need patching. No title, just Georgia bill of sale. Bring a trailer and maybe some floor pans. 4. 1964 Ford Mustang Coupe, $1,000, Twin Lake, Michigan. Rough but complete parts car with a rebuilt 289 V8 that runs. Rusty body and frame, no title, but comes with lots of good trim and glass. Could be a donor or a starting point. 5. 1972 Buick Skylark Custom Coupe, $2,000, Highland, Arkansas. Big block 455 Olds engine with a TH400. No title. Engine ran before seller pulled it for new mounts and gaskets. Includes a new fuel tank, rear seat, and door panels. Needs drive shaft and finishing touches. 6. 1976 Cadillac DeVille Sedan, $1,999, Chicago, Illinois. One-owner classic with fresh paint and some recent maintenance. Runs and drives, just needs a tune-up. Owner open to trades, but no lowballers, as he says, "I'm not a crackhead." 7. 1969 Chevrolet Impala Sedan, $1,500, Bumpass, Virginia. This big body Chevy starts, drives, and stops. Floor pan's already replaced, and it comes with a trunk full of original parts. Frame is solid. It's a stalled restoration with a personal backstory. 8. 1978 Ford F-150, a $1,500, Mayfield, Kentucky, 2WD pickup that runs, drives, and stops, but it smokes. No title, being sold for parts. Grills in the bed. Mileage unknown. Could be a work truck, donor, or rat rod. 9. 1979 Chevrolet 1500 long bed, $1,500, Valley Grove, West Virginia C10 with a 350 auto. It runs, but the engine knocks. Interior is complete, needs body work, and has holes in the bed floor. No title. Bought as a parts truck, now looking for a new home. 10. 1982 Chevrolet 1500 long bed, $1,200, Christiansburg, Virginia. Original 305 engine and 4-speed manual. Starts right up with no smoke, but it's extremely rusty. It's a 4x4 Survivor that's been sitting for years. $1,200 or best offer. 11. 1978 Jeep CJ5, $1,000, Land O'Lakes, Florida. Being parted out, seller doesn't have time for it. If you're restoring a CJ5, this could be your parts gold mine. $12. 1977 Ford F-250 long bed, $2,000. Ellerslie, Georgia. This lifted Ford F-250 Custom packs a monster 460 big block V8 under the hood. The body is complete inside and out, sitting on a solid frame with beefy custom bumpers front and rear. But it's been off the road a few years. It'll need a battery, new belts and hoses, a steering gearbox, and some fuel system work. The seller says it just needs love and a bath. It's a great project for off-roaders or classic truck fans looking for a true trail beast. 13. 1972 Ford F-250 Ranger XLT Camper Special, $600, Hayden, Alabama. The lowest price on the list, just $600 gets you this 1972 F-250 shell. No engine, but the transmission is included. Originally equipped with a 390 V8. It's a true rebuild from scratch scenario. Ranger XLT trim and long bed configuration hint at its camper hauling past. Great start for a custom build or rat rod, especially if you've got a spare motor lying around. Sellers open to trades for anything with an engine over 250 cc. Stopped off 14 teen, 1979 Mercury Capri, $1,800, Stockbridge, Georgia. A lightweight drag or track roller, this 79 Capri is already set up for serious performance. It's got a full roll cage, Lexan windows, built 8.8 rear-end fuel cell, Holley electric pump, torque boxes welded in, and a relocated battery with kill switch. Still a 4-lug setup, but comes with strange brake booster. All it needs is your engine, transmission, and seat. No title, bill of sale only, serious race project potential. 15 T 1962 Chevrolet 100 short bed, $1,200. Woodbury, Tennessee. A real parts bin project. It's a 1962 Chevy 1500 short bed with a straight 6 engine and turbo 350 automatic trans. The seller says it ran briefly but now won't fire. It's sitting on a square body bed, which isn't original but adds some utility. Frame appears solid. No title, so bring your paperwork, savvy, or just use it for parts. 16 teen, 1971 Ford Mustang. Dahlonega, Georgia's Dahlonega. This 71 Mustang is missing the engine and trans, but comes with a pile of extras. Fenders, radiator support, rear seat, and more in the trunk. The seller's hoping to trade for a 67 Mustang with a solid frame. The bones are here for a fastback restomod or a back-to-original project. If you've already got a donor drivetrain, this one's ready for a rebirth. MERS 17, 1971 Lincoln Continental Mark III, $1,500. Tinley Park, Illinois. This Mark III is rough, but the engine, motor, and grille are present. These cars were personal luxury at its finest in the early 70s. 460 big block, hidden headlights, and enough chrome to blind you in the sun. This one comes with a clean Illinois title and could be the base for a full-on cruiser revival. '18 1970 MGB GT, $1,900, Athens, Georgia. Finished in classic primrose yellow, this 1970 MGB GT is a British hatchback coupe with good bones. The engine runs, though the carbs need a rebuild. Rear end and transmission are solid. Floor pans are rusty, but rest of the structure is fair. Already has good tires and a clean look. Excellent candidate for a full Euro-style restoration. '19 1973 Ford Ranger short bed, $2,000, Bethlehem, Georgia. Wearing original yellow paint, this short bed Ford pickup comes with a 390 engine that needs some work and a C4 automatic transmission. Seller says the body's in great shape with minimal rust, just one small spot on the bed corner. At 75,000 miles, it's low mileage for the age. Great bones for a vintage truck restomod or even daily classic. $20. 1968 Ford Custom 500, $850, Chicago, Illinois. Bought in Oklahoma years ago, this Ford Custom 500 has sat untouched while the seller moved on to a better version. It's missing the original 302 V8, but includes all glass and loose interior parts. Still has a clean Illinois title, and a C6 transmission and drive shaft are available for $100 more. Restore it, derby it, or rob it for parts. Either way, it's a full-size piece of Ford history waiting for its second act. $21. 1973 Ford Gran Torino Coupe, $1,800, Waterford, Michigan. This gold 73 Torino is completely disassembled, but all the pieces are there, including a 4-speed setup. The engine and transmission are gone, but this is one of only 167 made with this drivetrain combo, according to documentation from Ford. Sellers looking for camping gear or a small generator in trade. Could be the rarest car on this list. $22. 1973 Chevrolet Cheyenne Super 10, $1,500, Fayetteville, Arkansas. This Cheyenne Super 10 was taken in on trade. Seller says it needs a carb to run and a new set of tires. Still has its classic two-tone blue paint and Cheyenne badging. One of the more complete CK trucks on this list, and with a little wrenching, it could be back on the road.
Outro, simple.
That's 22 junkyard clacks, each with its own story, scars, and shot at revival. Which one would you drag home?